welcome back to How to DIY. Today we're going to be making a salad. What you need to do is you need to cut in some avocados and of course some tomatoes. Once you're done doing both, mix it up. Or if you don't like to mix it up and you like to keep it like this, then that's fine. You can keep it like this. Grab a lemon from the fridge and squeeze some. Let me get the lemon. Okay, so while you guys take a look at that and while you're finishing cutting your tomatoes, get a cutting pan, a knife, and some cucumber. Cut out the edges because not a lot of people like the edges, and take off the plastic. Make sure you don't cut while the plastic is on because that can cause it to taste very bad because nobody wants a plastic salad. So what I like to do is I like to cut lines. I'm going to show you guys really quickly. Like a line and a line, but go all the way down, all the way down, all the way down. So let's try this. All the way down. Oh, not all the way. Leave at least this much. Leave this much. Anyways. Oh, okay, I guess we're gonna cut like this then. Take straight lines. And then cut the other way. Now we cut straight lines, we're gonna cut the other way. Of course you guys already know how to cut a cucumber, but this is my way of cutting it. And once you're done, and for the last final piece that hasn't quite cut off yet, okay, so after you're done with the cucumber cutting, you're going to need to take it and put it probably in the middle. And of course, make sure your hands are clean before doing this video. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoy your salad. I think, I don't know what to name this, but this is a really nice salad. Mostly if you like avocados, which I adore avocados. And yeah, thank you for watching and enjoy your salad. Make sure to subscribe, like, and smash that notification bell. Toodles!